solid in liquid solution, sugar and water and sugar, then form sugar solution. Liquid in liquid, water and lemon and vinegars, these are the liquid in liquid solution. And gas in gas solution in air, gas in liquid solution, soda water, CO2 gas and water है liquid है, these are the soda water. And next topic is your solubility. This is the what is solubility है. The solubility is the maximum amount of solute which can dissolve in 100 gram of say solvent as at a particle temperature is known as the solubility in that particle solvent. This is the solubility. And very most important, concentration of a solution. Concentration of a solution. It is defined as the mass of the solute, in grams present in 100 grams of the solution. Concentration of a solution, it is defined as the mass of the solute in grams present in 100 grams of the solution. Hence, the concentration of solution equal volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. This is the concentration of the solution. This formula is very most important. Okay. Saturated solution. What is saturated solution? A solution in which no more quantity of solute can be dissolved at a particular temperature. Is called saturated solution. Good morning, my dear student. Today your topic is types of solution. Hence, various type of solutions. Various types of solutions are: first is the solid in a solid solution. Example is alloys. Solid and solid. Example is alloys as iron है, iron and copper, zinc and copper, nickel and copper. These are the solid, and both are mixed when mixed and then form a alloys. And second is the solid in liquid. Solid in a liquid solution. Example sugar solution. सॉलिड इन लिक्विड सोल्यूशन, सॉलिड और लिक्विड को मिला देते हैं तो शुगर सॉल्यूशन, ऐसे वाटर एंड शुगर, देन शुगर सॉल्यूशन बन गया. एंड थर्ड लिक्विड सीन लेमन, लिक्विड इन लिक्विड, लिक्विड इन लिक्विड. एग्जाम्पल लेमन, वाटर, water, lemon and vinegar. Gas in gas, gas in gas solution. Example air. Fifth, gas in liquid solution, gas in a liquid solution. Example soda water. This is the types of solution. I repeat again. Various type of solution are solid in liquid solutions. Example copper, metal, zinc, nickel, cobalt. These are the metals. Then you mix the solid and solid, then